Strange facts about geese that you might not know. For centuries, humans have been raising geese and discovering some strange things about them. First, geese are omnivores but surprisingly picky eaters. They like grass, rice, vegetables, and even water hyacinths. But if you try to feed them shrimp or fish, never. They'd rather starve for a whole month than eat seafood. And if you sneak fish into their food, they'll vomit it up like they've just eaten bad sushi. Geese are like natural lawn mowers. They eat grass even more effectively than cows, roots and all. Moreover, they are quite intelligent. They truly know their way home after going out. So if someone says they are as familiar with the way as a goose, it's true. Geese are also excellent home protectors. Forget guard dogs, geese will honk loudly if strangers approach. It's said that their calls can even ward off evil spirits. And they seem to have a sixth sense for the weather. If they start honking, you should check the weather forecast because a storm might be coming. Another quirky fact, both male and female geese are very protective of their eggs. If you dare to get close, they will attack. Their wings are strong enough to break a child's arm. And their beaks will leave bruises. Geese are also extremely loyal. If one dies, the other may live alone in mourning. And if you try to sell their goslings, the mother goose might even kill her own offspring rather than let them fall into someone else's hands, raising their young with a no one touches them mentality. Geese are also a natural pest control team. Snakes and rats can't stand the smell of their droppings. Some even say they can chase away cobras and scorpions. If you have a garden, raising geese is a good idea, but be prepared for the noise. Finally, their famous V-shaped flight formation isn't just for show. It helps each bird save up to 71% of energy. When the lead bird gets tired, they switch places with another. And if a goose falls ill or gets injured, two other geese will always stay behind to care for it. An admirable team, don't you think? Hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our exciting upcoming videos. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts with us.